Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make green signs for your JToH fan game. It's pretty awesome. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the model that I put in the description of this video. Alright, this is it. Okay. Now that you've got that, you are going to open up the script. Or actually, no, the first thing you're going to want to do is put it in starter character scripts right there. And if you're watching this video, you probably already have a tower portal, but if you don't, you might want to like get one or something. Like, I don't know. Anyways, you're going to open the script and you're going to first want to set the location of this line right here, line 6, to where the sign is. So it shows an explorer that my portal is workspace.portal.tower name. So you're gonna put right here workspace.portal.tower name. And yeah, so that's all you're gonna want to do for that line. And right here, you're gonna want to put the badge ID. I have it currently set to the Tower of Heck badge ID from JToH. So yeah, if you have a tower in your game, that you just put the badge ID there. And this line right here, this is to set the color of the door. So if you want it to set to a different color, then you can just like change it whatever you want here. But yeah, I have it set to the like 150, which is a pretty good color. And now if I test it out, then it should become green. And there we go. It turned green. How awesome is that? But I'm gonna quickly duplicate this portal right now to show you that uh you can have a portal that doesn't turn green. Okay, here's the Meet Juke badge, which I don't have because I have not met Juke. So I'll duplicate the script. I'll put the new badge ID in and change portal to portal 2. And now that I've done that, it should now not turn green. And there we go. This one is for the Tower Peck badge, and this is for the Meet Juke badge. So that's pretty nice. Alright, so that's not the end of the video yet. I'll show you how to make a portal have green text instead of turning the sign green. It's a pretty simple change, to be honest, but for all the non-experienced scripters out there, this is for you. So I'm gonna quickly rename this to Portal 3 so I don't mix the others up. And let me quickly grab the Tower of Heck badge ID. Oh my god. And instead of going to the tower name, you're going to want to go into the things inside tower name until you find text label. So tower name dot surface GUI dot text label. And now on this line right here, you're gonna rename this to text color 3 instead. And this, you can choose this if you want to, but I prefer to have the text at 02550 because it's like brighter. I don't know, looks cooler. So now if I click play, anyways, there we go. Now it works. This turns green text and this turns green sign. So pretty cool. Yeah, okay. Bye.